Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites so nothing blocks voice. First, open account settings and make sure voice chat is enabled. Age verification must be completed for access. Next, check system microphone permissions for Roblox on Windows, Mac OS, iOS, or Android and grant them if needed. Once done, restart the Roblox app and your device. This clears temporary driver or permission hangups. If you have an external headset, plug it in before launching Roblox to ensure the correct input is selected. Now you focus on connectivity and device settings, which are common culprits. First, switch to a stable wired connection or 5 GHz Wi-Fi and temporarily disable VPNs or proxies because they interfere with voice servers. Then update your audio drivers, the Roblox client, and the device OS. Clear the Roblox cache to remove corrupted temp files. Next, open in-game voice settings and explicitly choose your input and output devices. Adjust volumes and run a test call if available so you can isolate where. Finish by validating the fixes and preparing for deeper troubleshooting. After making changes, fully quit Roblox, then rejoin your game or server so voice services reinitialize. Watch latency and packet loss indicators because high loss breaks voice. If problems persist, check Roblox status and community channels for broader outages. As a last resort, gather logs, exact steps to reproduce, timestamps, and device details, then submit a support ticket. This helps engineers replicate and resolve the disconnects faster if it's a server-side issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.